Welcome all of you. In this tutorial, we are going to find the value of 2 root 81%. So let's see its solution. The very first thing that we will do is we will change this 81% into decimal form. And for that, we will divide 81 by 100. Now we are going to write them separately, 81 and 100, in roots, like that. Now we know that 81 is equal to 9 to the power 2. It can be written as 9 to the power 2 and 100 can be written as 10 to the power 2. Now this is equal to 9 to the power 2 times this is equal to 1 over 2 and 10 to the power 2 times 1 over 2. This 2 and this 2 will be cancelled out. We are left with 9 over 10, which is equal to 0.9. But this answer is in decimal form. We have to change this into percentage form, and to change any decimal number into percentage, we multiply that number by 100. So 0.9 times 100 is equal to 90. 90% is the final answer. I hope you find this solution easy. If so, like and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe the channel.